Hello, we will now continue the next part. Converting with the units of Reaumur. Now we have a new unit called Reaumur. In part 1, we have found 3 formulas with the help of conversion with Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. In this part, we will now convert Celsius to Reaumur, Fahrenheit to Reaumur, and Kelvin to Reaumur. Note that the symbol of Reaumur is Re. We begin with Celsius to Reaumur. The formula is, Celsius value is equal to Reaumur value times 5 by 4. For example, at 0 degrees Celsius, we get the Reaumur value is 0, when you divide by 1.25. Similarly, at 10 degrees Celsius, divide by 1.25, to get 8 Reaumur, that is the ratio of 8, by the way. Next, by converting from Fahrenheit to Reaumur. The formula is Fahrenheit equals Reaumur value times 9 by 4, plus 32. For example, let's consider a new number 77. At 77 degrees Fahrenheit, we know, we get 25 degrees Celsius as you can solve. We get 20 Reaumur. And finally, Kelvin to Reaumur, the formula is, Kelvin equals Reaumur value times 5 by 4, plus 273.15. For example, like in values of Celsius to Reaumur, at 303.15 Kelvin, subtract by 273.15, which is 30, divide by 1.25, we get 24 Reaumur. In part 3, we will convert with Rankine units. Subscribe now.